Good morning, America, and good evening, India. It is a breaking news from Washington. Proposed by President Joe Biden, the US Citizenship Act 2021, which, among other things, intends to eliminate the per country cap for employment based green cards, would be introduced in Congress on Thursday. A move that would benefit hundreds and thousands of Indian IT professionals in America. In a major move, those waiting for a green card for more than 10 years would get the legal permanent residency immediately, as they would be exempted from the visa cap. Indian IT professionals waiting for more than a decade now and whose number runs into thousands are likely to be the biggest beneficiary of the provision of the bill. To be introduced by Senator Bob Menendez in the Senate and Congresswoman Linda Sanchez in the House of Representatives, US Citizenship Act 2021, which creates an 8-year path of citizenship for the 11 million undocumented immigrants, needs to be passed by Congress before it can be sent to the White House for Biden to sign into law. The Biden administration now calls them non-citizens to better reflect the president's values on immigration, a senior administration official said. The bill, which sent by Biden to Congress hours after he was sworn in as the president on January 20, clears employment-based visa backlogs, recaptures unused visas, reduces lengthy wait times, and eliminates per country visa cap. The bill makes it easier for graduates of US universities with advanced STEM degrees to stay in the United States, improves access to green cards for workers in lower wage sectors, and eliminates other unnecessary hurdles for employment-based green cards. It provides dependents of H-1B visa holders work authorization, and children are prevented from aging out of the system. Spouses and permanent partners and children under the age of 21 of lawful permanent residents are now exempt from the cap. This is a change in law. It is what is in place right now for US citizens. There's an admission rate, I think probably people know, 7% per country cap, and we raise that to 20%, a senior administration official said. The bill also repeals the 3 in the 10 years unlawful presence bar. It also increases diversity visas from the current 55,000 to 80,000. The bill, the official said, aims at reducing the backlogs for employment-based green cards, a move which would benefit hundreds and thousands of Indian IT professionals. In addition to eliminating per country cap in this category, the bill exempts spouses and children, the principal applicants, from the numbers for family in employment. We also exempt from the numbers anyone who has been waiting for a visa to become available for more than 10 years, said the senior administration official, on condition of anonymity. In addition to that, we exempt those who have advanced STEM degrees so they can stay in the country and contribute to the economy and innovation, the official said. Notable, the largest number of foreign students on STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics degrees are from India. We create a pilot program to stimulate regional economic development, and so it gives the Department of Homeland Security the authority to establish a 5-year pilot program to allow any county or municipal executives to petition for additional immigrants' visas to support the region's economic development strategy, the official said. The bill also creates a pilot program to stimulate regional economic development, gives the DHS the authority to adjust green cards based on microeconomic conditions, and incentives higher wages for non-immigrant high-skilled visas to prevent unfair competition with workers. Beyond the report, Fosak TV USA.